luxury watch that combines style, durability, and precision? Introducing the Pagani Design Men's Fashion Automatic Mechanical Watch, Miyota 8215. This stunning timepiece is designed for men who appreciate both elegance and performance. Powered by the reliable Miyota 8215 automatic mechanical movement, this watch runs smoothly without the need for a battery. It charges itself through the natural movement of your wrist, making it both convenient and sophisticated. The watch features a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with AR coating, giving you a clear and durable display while protecting the dial from everyday wear. Its premium stainless steel case and strap add a strong, luxury feel while ensuring long-lasting durability. Whether you're going to the office, a meeting, or a special event, this watch easily matches both formal and casual outfits. Another great feature is its water-resistant design, so you don't have to worry about splashes or daily use. The design is clean, bold, and modern, perfect for men who want to stand out with confidence. So if you're looking for a watch that delivers luxury style, automatic movement, and strong build quality, the Pagani Design Men's Fashion Automatic Mechanical Watch Miyota 8215 is definitely worth considering. Upgrade your wrist style today with this impressive automatic mechanical watch.